There are two ways of electronically retrieving data after a sampling event has ended. Both will be discussed, offering two different results. Also covered are some tips on recording data by hand. On the left-hand side of the instrument, there is a USB slot that accommodates a flash drive. With the instrument turned on, tap Data at the bottom of the screen. Any tests saved in the instrument will be listed. Tap Save All to save the test to the flash drive. This takes a few minutes. The screen will tell you if the files have been successfully saved. If so, remove the flash drive and insert in a computer. You do not need DustTrack software to access these files. Open them up on the computer. When you go to save them to your computer, you will notice that they by default will be saved as a CVS delimited file. Choose to save it instead as an Excel workbook. Now you can delete these files off your flash drive. Install the TrackPro software by inserting the disk into your computer and following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, you can attach the DustTrack to your computer. You are supplied with a USB cable for this. The USB end plugs into your computer port, and the smaller end plugs into the DustTrack computer port. Turn the DustTrack on and wait till it finishes warming up. Now open TrackPro. In the File menu, select Receive. The computer will communicate with the DustTrack and look for data files. A list will appear of all files found. Select any and all that you want and click Receive. This will take a moment. Once complete, you can close out of the File List window. Your data file has now been transferred, and in the File menu, you can select Save As and name it. It will save as a TrackPro file that can only be opened with the software. Once saved, feel free to delete it from the DustTrack. You can do this by going to the data screen and selecting the file you want deleted. Tap Delete and confirm that you want it deleted by selecting Yes. A hard copy data sheet should be filled out for each sample event. Make sure that the data sheet is thoroughly completed after a sampling event is done. Double check that the sheet is dated and that all blanks are filled in. Important items to include are start time and end time, the minimum, maximum, and average particulate values, a note if anything went wrong, and also if you sampled near potential particulate matter sources, like burning candles or near a kitchen where cooking took place. Note when these particulate source events happened if possible. Once recorded, the data can be safely deleted out of the DustTrack.